How do you get rid of hiccups? Well, before I tell the answer, I'm going to tell you that all of the answers you're thinking of right now are wrong. Like holding your breath for as long as possible or drinking a glass of water really quickly. I am sure you've seen some cartoon episode where one of the characters has hiccups and they try to get rid of it by scaring them by popping a loud paper bag, making a louder noise. It never worked in the cartoons, and it sure as hell won't work in real life. Speaking of paper bags, breathing into one rapidly probably won't work either. Have you tried sucking on a lemon, pulling your tongue, swallowing a spoonful of sugar, or even pressing on the roof of your eyeballs? Damn, sounds like an easy way to go blind. Well, no, and no. None of these will work. Are you ready for the scientifically proven way to get rid of hiccups? All you have to do is take one deep breath, then take a second smaller one, and then a third micro one. Now hold your breath for 15 to 20 seconds, and then yeah, that should do the trick. And if not, then